Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'll show you how to replace a blown light bulb in, this is a Bosch fridge, but in all fridges it's normally the same. So let me show you how. Best thing to do is on this Bosch one and just kind of clear away. See this plastic here? You literally just pull it in, it's just two tangs that pull out. Put that down to the side. Now the bulb itself, what you want to be careful of, if you leave the power on now, I'd recommend turning the power off very briefly if you can. So turning the power off, all you do is, in this case, it's just a screw fit bulb. And you'll soon feel, if you can't do this, if you can't unscrew it, it will be a bayonet. So you push it up, turn it, and then it will unplug. But this is a screw fit. Okay, as you can see, look, it's a bit blackened there. Okay, and then all you're doing is, when you're replacing it, is you're putting the bulb back in, screwing it up, putting the cover back on, check it works. If it's not working, then the other thing to do is just check the door mechanism here to make sure that it's turning on and off. If it's not coming on and off, then you've got a bigger problem. All right, hope that helps. Please like, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.